In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Teespring account. So when you made some money on Teespring by selling products and you want to withdraw this to your, for example, your bank account or your PayPal, I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is a brand new account, so I'm not actually going to show you how to do it myself, but I know how to do it, so I'm going to show you the steps what you need to do. You need to go to payouts first. And here you have your current payout amount. So as you can see, I don't have any profit. So we have to go to settings to set our payment methods. Here you want to fill in all your information. And then you want to scroll down. Do you see connected accounts? We can add our PayPal address or Payoneer. So those two methods are available for payments. So if you have a PayPal account, you want to enter in your PayPal email address here. If you have a Payoneer account, you want to connect by hitting this button right now, and it brings you over to Payoneer, where you can basically connect and set it up. Right? Once you've done that and you go to payouts again, there will be an amount available here. For example, $200. What you can do, you can hit withdraw, transfer the money, and then it will be transferred into your PayPal or Payoneer account. This can take a few days max. With PayPal it's often very fast, but yeah, this is basically how you can do that. If this video still helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.